of the roads north of Broken Hill going up to Cameron's Corner have been shut. Do all the shots and play with the big boys. Huh?
Hi, I'm Bianca, and this is my husband Grant. We're currently travelling Australia full-time with our 2 dogs, Frank and Baxter. Come join us on our adventures.
Back in the car again. Last night we stayed at just a little rest stop, probably what, 30 k's from
50 k's out of Wilcannia.
50 k's out of Wilcannia. Heading to Broken Hill tonight, where we're going to stay at a caravan park for 3 nights, I think. We'll see how we go and go explore around Broken Hill and
Silverton. See what else we can find.
Maybe see if we can get into Menindee if it's open.
Hopefully by then the roads have dried out a bit. Yeah, just checking all the apps and stuff. They've been saying that a lot of the roads north of Broken Hill going up to Cameron's Corner have been shut. I'm not sure if that's still the case. I hope not. I'd really like to go there, but I'd ideally like to go when it's less of a chance of getting bogged. So, I mean, if you do, it's okay. That's what wishes are for. But yeah, so we're just going to go see if we can get down to Menindee. And hopefully, you know, I don't know why I want to go there. It just, from the stories I've heard from other people, it's a hot place to go visit. So definitely want to see that, check it out for ourselves, and get some drone practice in.
Yeah, we've got a drone. We haven't used it yet, so we need to figure out how to use it, and then we can start getting that footage in here.
I'm no pilot. I'm a bit worried, but we'll give it a crack.
Yeah, and so last night I grabbed out the laptop and was putting out all the footage onto the laptop, and I realised that I've left the charging cable of my laptop at sister and brother-in-law's back in Penrith, so they are doing me a big solid and sending that up to Broken Hill for me so we can actually charge the laptop, which is great.
Thanks Aaron, thanks Brad.
Thank you. Yeah, so it's very interesting how the scenery is all changing, and it goes from, you know, really hilly and really trees to now we're on a floodplain, so it's super flat. But we're actually just pulling into Wilcannia now. Last night we also applied for our border passes to cross over into South Australia. So I've got mine back already approved. I haven't checked for grants yet, so I'll check on that later. But I think we're planning to go to South Australia. I mean, next week sometime, hopefully we'll cross over into South Australia, and we'll just see how many things are open if you haven't got your pass approved yet, I'm pretty sure you'll be fine, but we'll double check on that later.
Border control, serious. How was that?
It's so flat, you can almost see that the earth is round.
It's not the place to own a lawn mowing business, is it? Or a garden care.
Definitely not.
I'm a landscaper from Broken Hill. Lunch. Oh, hot.
What are you doing?
Playing with my new toy.
Tell me about it. What is it?
Okay, so we got the Mavic Air Pro. Bianca does all the thrifty shopping and the bargain hunting in the family, so she found one for a good price, and we thought we'd give it a crack. So why we went for this one? Well, it's small, it's mid-range. I'm not a pilot yet, so I wanted to avoid wasting all that money on the up spec one when I'm only just learning to fly. So we sort of went for the mid-range one because it made more sense, didn't it? So it had better flight time, battery. What else was it? The price was sort of right.
Yeah.
It made sense. It was only sort of that much more expensive than the base model. Yeah, so I'm just doing some reading and playing with it to see what's what. We bought a cheaper one. I forget what brand, but we bought a cheaper one like last year. Last year?
Probably, yeah.
About that. Just to sort of get my head around the drones, and plus I wanted one for ages. When they first started coming out, like Parrot made them. And I brought it home and I crashed it into the shed. So with much trepidation, we forked out for a bit more of a fandangle one. It's got flying, like pilot assist features, so it's press one button takeoff and one button landing, so return to home and take off assist. The programs on the app, the app itself, haven't used it yet, but it seems quite intuitive. So that's what that's why we sort of went with that one, because I need all the help I can get. So just while I'm figuring this out, I'm leaving my drink alone because I need to concentrate.
Probably a good idea.
Yeah, so that's what I'm doing this afternoon, and then we can charge it up and take it out tomorrow and maybe give it a bit of a fly and see what's what. And hopefully I'll be able to do some pretty good footage for you guys and
do
all the shots and play with the big boys. Huh? So yeah, that's the plan. We'll see how we go.
Beautiful. So I just made pasta for dinner tonight. We've got zucchini, mushrooms, bacon, chicken, pasta, and then I've just added salt and pepper, a chicken stock cube, and cream, and some garlic bread. Delicious. We're gonna dig in.